on the DNRC construction site in the middle of Stamford Hall Estate. This is the estate that the late Duke of Westminster purchased for the very purpose of building a defence establishment. It's very close to Loughborough, also close to Nottingham and Leicester. It's a major project by any standards. The whole estate is 360 acres. The construction costs are around about £200 million plus. And what we're actually building here is the new defence establishment, and that's about 37,000 square metres of new build. And we also have a Grade 2 star listed building on the site, which is about 7,000 square metres, and that'll be used for training facilities, conferences and so on.
It's made up of 25 individual buildings, so that adds to the complexity of the job. It's a bespoke rehabilitation centre, and it's like nothing else in the world. There's no facility like this anywhere at the moment, so what we're building here is a first. So what we've got here is accommodation wards, and that's where the more sort of complex trauma injuries, where the patients will stay. And then we move on to the fourth generation building. So those are the main sort of accommodation buildings. And then what we have is the integrated treatment zone, which is basically where they get their treatment. So you've got a pool complex, and then you've got a mixture of gymnasiums where they'll actually go to get their treatment. And the beauty of this facility is the accommodation is really close to the treatment areas. And then what we have on top of that, we have a research and development facility here, as well as a department that actually makes the prosthetics. We've got an X-ray and imaging suite. There's no clinical rehabilitation centre like this anywhere in the world.
The whole design of Stamford Hall is with healthcare in mind. We've been working now very closely with Interserve for 15 months on site. We had quite a long pre-construction period on this project. We selected Interserve because of the way they worked with us. From a very early stage, we were working collaboratively. That was very important to us. But there was a commitment from day one that they wanted to work with us on this project to make it successful, get the price right. With regard to the complexities of construction, we've actually been working very closely with Interserve to simplify the construction process as much as we can. And what I mean by that is we're looking at traditional construction and modern methods of construction. Collaborative working is very important to us and very important to the way we work as a developer. On a large-scale project like this, you will get a very big team, very diverse team, and it's very important that we get them working together and all facing in the same direction.
With regard to the workforce, being a rehabilitation centre for the armed forces, we want to do something a little bit special here. So we've really pioneered recruitment within the armed forces. So what we try to do there is we've taken on board an armed forces engagement manager. We engaged him from the armed forces, and he's been our link with the Careers Transition Partnership to look at the transferable skills that the armed forces guys have and to see where we can fit them into construction. This project, I think, it really showcases our ability to tackle the large construction project. From a personal point of view, my granddad fought in World War II and he spent 12 months in rehabilitation. So on a personal level for me, it's something really, really special.